Intro. Hi everyone, and welcome to my review of the dashboard camera with Wi-Fi. This is a great little camera that can help you protect yourself from hit-and-run accidents, insurance fraud, and other road-related incidents. Features. The dashboard camera with Wi-Fi has a number of great features, including a wide field of view, so you can capture everything that's happening in front of you on the road. High-definition video recording, so you can see all the details of any incident that occurs. Night vision, so you can record clear video even in low light conditions. Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can easily transfer footage to your smartphone or computer. Benefits. The dashboard camera with Wi-Fi offers a number of benefits, including peace of mind. Knowing that you have a camera recording everything that happens on the road can give you peace of mind, especially if you drive in a congested area or frequently take long trips. Evidence. If you are involved in an accident, the footage from your dashcam can be used as evidence to support your case. Insurance savings. Some insurance companies offer discounts to drivers who use dashcams. Overall, the dashboard camera with Wi-Fi is a great little camera that can help you protect yourself and your loved ones on the road. It's easy to install and use, and it offers a number of great features and benefits. Call to action. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable dashcam, the dashboard camera with Wi-Fi is a great option. I highly recommend it to anyone who wants to protect themselves on the road. Additional notes. In the video intro, you could also include some specific examples of how the dashcam has helped people in the past. For example, you could mention a story about someone who was able to use their dashcam footage to prove their innocence in a hit-and-run accident, or someone who was able to get a discount on their insurance because they had a dashcam. You could also use the video intro to talk about the different features of the dashcam in more detail. For example, you could talk about the different video recording resolutions and frame rates that the camera supports, or the different ways that you can mount the camera in your vehicle. Finally, you could use the video intro to answer some common questions that people have about dashcams. For example, you could talk about how to install a dashcam